Hi friends, welcome to my channel to Crochet Curious. My name is Joanne and I just want to say I'm excited that you came by to see me today. It is another month with the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month Club. So I came today and this is November's, I believe. Yeah, it is November's because they start telling me they're sending it at the beginning of the month and then they take their time getting it to me. But that's okay. All right. So, let's see what we got. Now, they send out a crochet kit once a month. Ooh, nice. And it's $16.99. The first time you sign up for it, you get, I think, $5 off, which basically just pays for shipping, and shipping's $4.99. So $21.98 I pay every month. They send me yarn and a pattern in a lovely zipper bag. So, oh yeah, I love this yarn. Okay, so we got some gemstone. Look at that. It is Red Heart Gemstone, 7 ounces, 200 grams, 312 yards, 285 meters. In fluorite, which I think I've had before, or maybe I still have some. It's a bulky 5, and you would use a 6mm hook, it looks like. And machine wash cold, gentle cycle, tumble, dry low, do not iron, do not bleach. Very soft and beautiful. Beautiful colorway. But that's not all. There's another one. And I don't think they're the same colorway. This one is, ooh, fire agate. Pretty. Nice. Same specs, of course. Then we have 2 skeins of Royal Zeeman yarn. That's $1.19 apparently, or whatever the Zeeman Textile Supers. I can barely read this. From the Netherlands. 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 241 meters. So what's that? Close to 250 in yards. Something like that. And use a 5 to 6mm crochet hook with it. You can wash it up to 30 degrees. And then underneath it says something that is so tiny, I'll never know what it says. So I got 2 of those, color number 28, so it's kind of a wine colored. And the pattern is Simple Slippers. So, those are cute. So let's see here, bulky weight. So to make a pair, you need 1 ball. I don't understand. Oh, there's enough gemstone yarn included to make 2 pairs of slippers, cuffed or not. Okay, I think I understand. And it does not say anything about the other yarn. But, all right, give me a second. Let me see what I can see here. Slippers with no cuff. And as it turns out, I think slippers is our January. I'll have to look. You know what? main color. I don't see any mention of using the other color. So maybe it's just so you can make more. I don't know. Oh, it says here, you just have to keep reading and keep reading. We have also included 2 bonus balls of royal yarn in a gorgeous burgundy color, which is a light worsted weight yarn. This yarn is perfect for a hat, mittens, glove, a scarf, or perhaps to add into another project you have in mind. Whatever you choose, we hope you enjoy. So the bulk of the value, according to them, is in the 2 gemstones and the pattern. And I don't know how much gemstone is. I have only gotten it in a mystery box or in a trade, a yarn trade. So I'd have to look it up and see how much the value of 2 of them is. And so I don't know if that was worth it or not, but if it was like $12.99 regular price, that'd be $26. That I suppose would be worth it because you have the 2 other skeins and a pattern and a nifty storage bag. So, you know, I don't get over wrapped up in whether or not it is something that I would make or if I get enough value because it widens my perspective of what's available and introduces me to new yarns. It also, you know, might send me a pattern that I would do and grow in that way. I've been wanting to make slippers, and maybe I will now that I have this beautiful pattern and the, you know, it's all right here in front of me. And it honestly, it doesn't look very hard. And it probably isn't very hard, but I just have not taken the step to make them. And Christmas is coming, so yeah, I could. So, yeah, I think maybe I'll try it out. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day, and I hope things are going well for you in your life. You know, I cannot emphasize enough how much I appreciate the support that I receive from you guys, and I want to support you as well. I'm always thinking of my subscribers and how much, how special they are because they're so friendly, so nice and supportive, and I really want to provide things that you want. So I am working towards that. I also, I'm going to do my first tutorial on this hat, and you guys, if you would watch at least some of the tutorial and let me know if I'm doing it in a way that is helpful, or if you, I will take constructive criticism if you say it with love. But my lava flow beanie, I will be doing I'm going to work on it this week, my tutorial for this. This is new territory for me, and I'm coming up on a year, my 1-year podiversary. I'm going to have a giveaway for that, and I am not sure what I'm going to give away yet for that. Maybe it will be multiple things, so there's lots of things that could be won, just because it's a big deal for me to have gone a year sticking with this and doing it, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I hope that you are making something that makes your heart sing, and that you have friends and loved ones around you that are supportive and take care. You guys take care of each other. So, you know, we could be anything in this world, so let's be kind. All right. Have a wonderful evening, day, morning, whatever. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.